Plastic and storage bin, great for creating a clean and organized refrigerator or pantry. Ideal for soda, pop, beer, tea, sports drinks, yogurts, canned goods, drink boxes, water bottles, and more. Great for storing dry goods in the pantry. Stack these or use side by side to create the storage solution that works best for you. Maximize storage space in refrigerator, freezer, cabinets, cupboards, pantry shelves or inside drawers. Ridged bottom, textured-based design prevents your items from sliding around in the bin. Integrated handles, two-side handles allow you to easily grab food from shelves or transport items from room to room. Easy visibility, transparent durable plastic walls allow you to easily view box contents. Ideal size, each bin measures 8 by 4 by 14.5 to fit in any space. Keep your kitchen organized with the iDesign plastic food storage bin. This BPA-free clear plastic storage container is ideal for holding packets, pouches, and boxes on your pantry shelves, keeping the contents visible and easy to locate. The container's open-top design and built-in handles keep your food easy to access. Just slide the drawer out with the included handles to reach items stored at the back of the shelves and lift down for restocking. Suitable for use around the kitchen in the refrigerator, freezer, or pantry, the organizer bin is also ideal as a storage container in other areas around the home. Each bin measures 8 by 4 by 14.5 to fit in any space, making it perfect for tidying drawers and shelving in the utility room, office, bathroom, laundry room or craft room. Top reviews from the United States. Good for a multitude of uses, love them. I use iDesign storage products in every room of my home. This particular one I use in my fridge. I have 2 shelves and no matter how I arrange them I end up with a small space between the two, usually at the bottom of the fridge. Small items always get lost in there like pudding cups, small containers of milk, a lot of things. I had 2 of these bins but things still were being misplaced or forgotten causing a lot of waste. I ordered this one to fill in the last spot in an area I made to accommodate just these bins. All 3 of them fit perfectly in the space I made under the top shelf. Now nothing gets wasted or lost and they act as drawers. One holds cheese, another holds lunch meat and the other small containers of milk, snack size items etc. The items change depending on what I have at the time. I highly recommend these, they are sturdy and can be used for so many things around the house, garage, storage sheds etc. I am ordering more of iDesign products soon.